I guess we're live. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm giving this a shot. I just wanted to kind of tell you about Nvidia because Nvidia is popping today. It's up about $9 right now. I don't know if you can see my screen, but let me figure out if I can share that thing with you, and then we will talk about it. All right, let's talk about Nvidia. So if you look at Nvidia here, you're seeing Nvidia here at well, I don't know if you could see it, but hopefully it's bouncing off the 50-day moving average with some serious volume today. The volume's up about 76%. We had a decent jobs report. I don't think the market's really doing much with it, but Nvidia sure is. And Nvidia, I'm telling you, wants to go up and make that high up at that $505 level. And it's got some energy that it wants to get back there. Right now, it's at a pivot spot at 476, right around that spot. And if we get some good volume and we have some breakthrough at that spot here, that's the breakout from this double bottom pattern. That means that it wants to go to 505. If it goes to 505 and breaks through 505, that's its all-time high. And if it does that with volume, it's going to keep going a little bit higher. Let's take a look at the options real quick. Hopefully you can see the options, but if you can't, I will tell you that the options that go out 7 days, so a week from today, and they're right at the money. The stock is right at 475. The 475s are going to get you $9.10. So if you divide 910, that's the money you get. That's the income. Remember, we're after income here. That's the money you get from selling the calls to that gambler that's out there, the buyer of the calls. And he's going to go out and try to buy and make a killing. So his goal is to try to get the stock to go $9 higher than 475, and then hopefully he could start making money above that. So he's risking $9.10 or whatever it was a second ago to try to get the stock to at least go to 484, and hopefully if it goes up another $9 from that, he's invested nine and he's doubled his money, if that makes sense. But we're on the other side of that. All we want is the $9.10. Well, right now it's 885 because it's moving around. So wanted to alert you to that. We've got a great pattern setting up in Nvidia. By the way, this is education and entertainment and knowledge and all that kind of stuff. This is not investment advice. You need to have a good system. You need to have a good trading plan. You need to understand what the heck you're doing. But this is the kind of stuff that pops up with 7.5-ish days to go. You're going to get a 2% return if the stock stays above, anywhere above 475. And the stock is right at 475-ish right now, within 50 cents right now. So, and it's got some volume backing it up. It's off the 50-day moving average. It's doing a bunch of things that are lining up to make this stock want to go higher. Now, I don't know. I'm not Nostradamus and my crystal ball's in the shop, like I always say. So I don't know if the stock is going to go up or down. I just try to play the probabilities, and we got a few of those things stacking up. So I wanted to make that aware to you. If you're not a subscriber to this site, subscribe, because if you do, then you'll get this knowledge as soon as it comes out. As soon as I go live, you'll be getting it. And I do a market report about every week, talking about all the different markets. And I did an earlier Facebook Live on one of my other channels today. So I want you to get in the groove because, being ready to act on some of these things, if they're appropriate for you. Again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything here. I'm giving you some alerts of what to look at and how I look at them and how I make money on things in the market. I'm not trying to kill it. I'm trying to make 2% in 7 days. I think that's pretty darn good. If you could do that 4 times in a month, you're talking about making 8% in a month. Try that extrapolation out for a year. And I'm not saying that you make money all the time, but you're just trying to get probabilities in your favor. Okay, enough from me. Just wanted to show you that and catch you on the